Hey, I wanted to take a couple minutes to talk to you about some issues that came up with regard to the video that I just did a couple weeks ago with Liz Matt. Please do not take that video as legal advice. I am not a lawyer, and I am not saying that there are no legal consequences for your actions if you choose to disobey the laws in Florida. I am going to tell you that if you are concerned about academic freedom, if you are concerned about the well-being of your marginalized students, especially your LGBTQ students, then in the state of Florida and other states in this country, the law is not your friend. If you choose to resist these laws through civil disobedience, yes, there could be consequences, not the least of which is you could be losing your job and you could end up not being able to teach again. So you do have to be strategic as you go into how you want to address these fascist laws. And the point of that video is to organize, get as many people together, working in unison, working collectively as possible. That is where your security comes from. That is where your power comes from. A single teacher resisting the law through civil disobedience, it's really easy for the district or for your administration to let you go, to cut you out. But the more people that you can get to act collectively, to act with you, the safer you are. That's not to say that you're 100% safe. There's always the possibility of consequences falling on you and your peers. But the more people that are involved, your principal's going to have a hard time emptying out the building because all of the teachers are giving out books to students, and all of the teachers are calling students by their preferred all of the teachers are calling the students by their preferred pronouns. That becomes much more difficult. So the more people that you can get on your side, the more collectively you can act, the safer everybody is. So organize. One, go to your union. See how your union is, wants to handle and wants to deal with these issues. See if your union can help you provide organizing support, legal support, things along those lines. If you are not a member of your teachers' union, join your teachers' union. It is an invaluable resource in this time where teachers are under the gun. Collectively organize your teachers. If you can get every teacher in your building to work in unison on these issues, it becomes very difficult for the principal to clear out the entire building. If you can get the support of your administrators, most administrators are against these laws. They want to do what's right too. And if you can get them on your side and act in unison with them, that's huge. That is a game changer right there. Now, optimally, if you can change your district, if you can organize and you can get to your school board meetings and you can change the district around, that's optimal. But also, the district could end up facing some severe consequences of that. Here in Lee County, we're facing the consequences of standing up to Governor DeSantis. So, again, don't take this as, I don't want to minimize the issue. It's serious when you decide to act in accordance with the rules of civil disobedience and resisting fascist laws, and I firmly believe that the only legitimate response to fascist laws is disobedience. You got to understand that there can be consequences for that. So be smart, be strategic, and be organized, and you should be okay.